Good morning, beautiful souls. I'm Sula. Let's set the tone for your day. Set your inner compass for the entire day. Before you check your phone, set your intention. Your attitude is the one thing you can always control. So ask yourself, which path will I choose today? Curiosity or worry? Action or hesitation? Presence or distraction? This primes your brain to look for opportunities, not obstacles. My inner compass is set. I choose curiosity, action, and presence.